Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for enrolling in Flat Animation Animate Objects in Adobe After Effects course. In this course, we're gonna design this awesome object step by step in Adobe Illustrator, but you can use Adobe After Effects to design your objects if it's easier for you, and then we will animate it in Adobe After Effects. This course is appropriate for all After Effects and Illustrator users, and after you enroll in this course, you will learn all essential tips and techniques you need to design and animate simple and even complex objects in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe After Effects. In this course, I will show you how to design your object in Adobe Illustrator. Next, I will show you how to prepare your objects in Adobe Illustrator for using in After Effects. Then, I will show you how to animate different elements in our object using different techniques. And then, we'll be learning how to reverse our animation to create a complete animation loop. And finally, we'll be learning how to render our final project and create awesome videos quickly. Okay, I encourage you to watch all lectures and then start creating your awesome object animations and post them here so all of us will enjoy your cool object animations. All After Effects project files shown in this course are available to download in download section, so you can download, analyze, and enjoy using them. If you find this course useful, we appreciate you taking the time to rate it and also recommend it to your friends, colleagues, and classmates. Thanks in advance. Okay, if you're ready to have fun and create professional motion graphics, enroll now and I will see you in lesson 1. Okay, again, thank you very much for taking this course and I will see you in next video.